a key part of why we're doing better at the moment in manufacturing is because workers are being asked to and are accepting the idea of lower wages. Another example I'll give you is in Chattanooga, Volkswagen showed up with 2,000 new jobs. I think they got over $100 million of incentives from the local municipalities. There was, great fanfare, great celebration. Everybody took credit for it. But what didn't get as much attention was that each and every one of those workers started at $14.50 an hour, which is also about $30,000 a year. They've since gone up a little bit, but not anywhere near what workers paid before. So I'm not as sanguine, perhaps, as some others about our ability to compete in manufacturing without, unfortunately, having to compete on price. And so for GM, compared to the $55 in Michigan, in Mexico they pay $7 an hour, maybe a little bit more now. Those numbers are a year or two out of date. In China, $4.50. In India, $1. I was in Shanghai a few months ago. I went to the GM plant there. It looks exactly like a plant in Michigan. It's just as productive, maybe more productive, with workers making a lot less. So we can talk all we want about wages in China going up, but there's a long way for them to go. I'll give you one more statistic and then move on quickly to finish. GM, 4 years ago, had something like 85,000 workers in the US. Today it has about 50,000. In the same period of time, its workforce in Mexico went from 9,000 to about 9,300. Not a big increase, but a lot better than eliminating 35,000 jobs. So the trends are still there, and I don't believe that we can reverse them. I think there are a lot of things that my fellow panelists talked about, many of which I agree with, that would ameliorate them and allow us to be more competitive, but I don't think we're going to reverse them.